Do you know that every 60 seconds a girl is sold into sex trade? Hi, I'm Pushyami Duvuri, founder of Janayatri Foundation. It is so frightening, at the same time shameful to learn about these facts, that every 60 seconds a girl is sold into sex trade. We really need to put in all our efforts and stop this from happening. We live on a land of Mother Earth where all the girls and women needed to be respected for all the contributions and sacrifices they make for us. Just so you know, let me throw you some facts before you all. 12.3 million adults and children are in forced labor, bonded labor, and forced prostitution across the world. Sex trafficking is tied as the second largest criminal industry in the world. It's a $32 billion industry. Can you imagine that? 30 to 50% of sex trafficking cases are children as per the US Department of Justice. It's about 1.2 million children each year. In Asia, around 300 to 400 people are trafficked, and in India alone, 33,000 missing children are reported. Only 1/3 are found. Can you imagine the pain of a mother when their child gets trafficked? Looking at all these facts and horrifying situations of all these girls and women, I wanted to bring in awareness among all of us and do whatever we can do to stop this from happening. At least for now, here is what I plan to do. Today I'm very proud and happy to share that Janayatri Foundation has successfully partnered with Prajwala Foundation from India, a world-renowned organization that fights human trafficking within India and abroad. We also have fully committed contractually to support Prajwala Foundations in their efforts for a minimum of 1 year and provide continued effort thereafter in the areas such as education, eradication, and prevention. Janayatri is also reaching out to collaborate with few other Maryland organizations that are working towards eradication of human trafficking. And also we would like to identify some of the initiatives in the near term. To help out on these initiatives, Janayatri is looking for volunteers, supporters, and donors. And at the same time, we would like to extend our gratitude for those who have been supporting us all along. Are you committed to end sex trafficking but don't know where to start or don't have much time? Then raise and get involved with Janayatri's mission and participate in the efforts that we are making to stop this from happening. Thank you. And I believe together we can make a difference.